Right now is, what's today's date? April
7th.
April 7th, 2011. Tessie is going to do her new trick with Miss Kimmy. Hi, Brenna. Hi, Tessie. Hi, Miss Kimmy. Hi, Jakey. Okay, go.
Okay.
So Tessie's going to, how do you tell her the letter, and Tessie's going to tell you what color on Miss Kimmy's card it is.
Okay.
Okay.
What color is the B on?
Yay!
What color is the I on? What color is the L on? Orange. What color is the Q on? Pink. What color is the S on? Purple. What color is the U on? Brown. What color is the V on? Purple.
This is scary.
What color is the W on?
Red. How do you know this?
What color is the M on?
Green.
What color is the J on?
Brown.
What color is the C on?
Green.
What color is the Y on?
Blue.
What color is the T on?
Black.
Good, Jake. What color is the K on?
Red.
What color is the R on?
Brown.
What color is the A on?
Purple.
What color is the X on?
Orange.
What color is the O on?
Orange. Very good.
What color is the D on?
Wow. Purple.
What color is the F on?
Blue.
What color is the Z on?
Wow. Pink.
What color is the P on?
Pink. Wow.
What color is the N on?
Pink.
What color is the H on?
Purple. Purple.
What color is the G on?
It's orange.
Good, Jake. What color is the E on?
Brown.
Every one of them.
That's amazing. Yay, Tessa. Woo!
That's not normal. That's
That's Abby normal.
Abby.
Bye.